Don't fucking request on my fucking live. I don't want to hear. I don't want you to be here. Ah! Okay. Look at that mug, baby. Look at that. Yes, queen. On the way na, okay. So later, magpa-shoot tayo para maganda naman yung ating face. I miss you guys so much! Oh my God, kamusta kayong lahat? How are you guys? How are you? How are you guys? Oh, thank you. Sobra na galing nyo na ha. Hoy, ang tagal ko nang hindi nakapag-live dito sa TikTok. Kailan ba yung last live ko? New moon pa, ano? Yes. New moon pa. Live zelling, live zelling. So this is my look for episode 3. Oh wow! Ganda! Uy, ang ganda nun! For the episode 3 viewing party. Yes, nanood tayo ng episode 3 installation. Hindi naka-judge doon. Episode 1 and 2 lang yung ginudge ko. Si Ms. Jervina, hindi siya. Kalab Karen muna na kasi she's a wife na. My mom is already a wife. Oh my God. Kailan kaya ako magkakaasawa? Charing. What's my perfume tonight? I am wearing Versace. Versace. Yes. Yes. Ang bilis kasi ng comment nyo. Alam niyo naman tong tao na to.
Medyo.
Hoy! Bilis na comment nyo dahil wow. Wala ako sa Iloilo. Nandito lang ako sa Makati. Tangina, paano ko napunta sa Iloilo? Sorry, guys.
Pina-promote mo October 4 and 4.
Look at that hair. Ah, ganda ng hair ko tonight. God. Ay, Diyos ko. Kung sumayaw-sayaw ako dahil natangga na yung lace niya, buti naka-intact pa rin siya. Kasi nakatayo lang tayo, kumanta lang tayo, hindi tayo masyadong humataw-hataw. If you guys wearing a wig, tapos humataw kayo ng 3 hours, or nag-outdoor kayo, tapos sobrang init, tapos nag-perform kayo, I can assure you na pagbaba ng stage, hindi na naka-intact yung lace nyo. Sa baba na? Yes. Okay, 2 minutes. Thank you. Look at that shadow, baby. The shadow. Girl! Ay nga pala, meron lang ako sabihin. Concert na ng kapatid ko at ni Kiana. God. Concert na nila sa Friday. I'm very, very excited kasi first time nila magko-concert, dalawa. Can't wait. Diyos ko, ang ganda, grabe yung pinaghandaan nila. As in grabe talaga. Sobrang grabe talaga. Can you hide this? Please. Okay, ayun lang. Nangamusta lang ako. Thank you, guys. I really miss you, guys. I'll see you soon, okay? Punta na kayo sa mga shows ko para makikita niyo na ako in person. I love you, guys. Goodbye.